And weather-wise, we're tracking a few showers that just popped on up along the central coast and into northern Palm Beach County. We do have one shower that we're tracking with a couple of lightning strikes right around Palm City. And notice the winds are going from west to east, so anything that forms inland will make a push towards the coast. We have another one right there, right around Pratt Whitney, the Beeline, and over towards Dye Preserve. Now, here's your hour-by-hour forecast. If you are stepping out this evening, we could have a shower around probably through about 9-10 o'clock. Very widely scattered, so not everyone will see them. Otherwise, temperatures will eventually drop off into the lower 80s. Now, in the meantime, in the tropics, we are watching one area of disturbed weather just south of Cuba. And once this system makes its way into the Gulf of Mexico, it has about a 50% chance of becoming another tropical cyclone. If it gets a name, it could be either Joyce or Kirk, because we're watching yet another cyclone, or at least tropical wave that could become a tropical cyclone near the Azores. This one also has a 50% chance of development. Now, in the meantime, we also have three hurricanes. We have Florence, we have Isaac, and we have Helene. The one that we are focusing on is Florence, because this is the major hurricane that is making a push towards the Carolinas. So right now it is producing winds of 130 miles an hour. It's a Category 4 hurricane. Ahead of it, the waters are very warm and there's very little in the way of wind shear. So there's nothing to weaken this storm system. By the time we get to Thursday morning, it is producing winds of 145 miles an hour. It's a Category 4 hurricane, just a very dangerous system for both South and North Carolina. Then once it's inland, it's going to weaken rather quickly, but it's not going to move. And as a result, it will produce very heavy rainfall over the same spots, which will lead to widespread flooding.